Try to catch. Eto,
Nandito ako, makakatch ako
Where are you?
Nag-dismount sa akin, South.
Go on my ping. Go southeast nga, help our guys. Go southeast, help our guys.
Kyo's gonna.
I did dismount the door.
Gago na DC ako.
I did dismount the door, no?
Kyo, help Kyo.
Help
Help
Kyo. Heal Kyo. Nice one. Sige. Push them.
Kingdom to, di sa rin na.
Magpo-check pa?
Guys, push. Ready? On me.
Check.
3, 2, 1. This guy. Kill.
Check ba?
Kill. Oh, what's that? Oh, dep.
Food check lang muna.
Food check only. Land them down. This small group. Land them down. Kill this caller inside, though. Kill this Hodge inside. Put on clip. Kala ko na Jude. Just kill.
Ready ako, Arca.
Ready in 3, in 2, in 1 on me now. Kill. Kill this bedrock. Kill this bedrock. 60 armor. May lumabas na Pierce.
West mo.
Go west.
Susumbong na yan sa Alliance.
Sabihin mo nga, no?
Wala
Paano nila
sa
lumaban?
Alliance.
Mounted west, if you can catch.
Agad. Try to catch. Day 11 nga sila ngayon, no?
Ala yata yan.
Try to catch.
Sup?
Ano lumaban?
Okay, thank you, man.
Hindi ko secure.
Isip ko na ka.
Sa taas Arco may dalawa pang blab.
Wala na yan, cheater na lang yung naglalaban. Ang dito
Ay,
dapat
sure.
kalaban natin. Zone ba sila? Dito yung zone?
Zone sila, Ridge.
Yeah, they zone southwest.
Go southwest. Go.
1630 sa Ridge,
Okay. Lipat daw. Okay, they're gonna fight. Go southwest. East, fight. Serve. I'll mark their caller. Kasi may DA sila, kaya ayaw nila doon kanina.
May mga ata doon random na yan.
Yeah. Day 1 sila ngayon. Asan party 2? Party 2 can you hide? Kuaba or something.
Ba?
Tayo eh.
Tayo na pa.
Yeah, just go to
Do you want me to catch?
No. Speak.
No?
Just dismount on me.
Mag-hide pa ba kami?
Hindi na
Daw,
yata.
hold.
Pag may namatay sa amin, pwede kayo pumasok.
Daw,
First fight.
daw,
Wait
sa
lang.
benches.
Don't kill. Dismount on me.
Markahan mo na kaya yung color, Arc. Nasaan yung color? Brawling
Yan,
yata
tonight.
itong mga to eh.
Calling.
Catch to. Never mind. Just walk with me. I need
Party to kasama na rin sa party 1 na.
Naka-dismount na sa south mo, ano?
Copy. They OC'd now. West, ano kayo?
Nag-OC na.
Yeah, go west. West side. Position west side of me, okay?
OC din ba ta?
Yeah, OC now.
Ayan
Spread.
Nice,
Spread.
Demon.
Nice,
Ay, may
Demon.
nasa inside natin. Arco?
Inside. Ready? In 3, in 2, in 1 on me. No. Okay, spread. Push, spread. Go north and spread. North and spread. North and spread. Say CD. North and spread.
Seconds carving. 5 seconds carving.
Go
Ready.
north and spread.
Ready.
Ready? Inside, kill these tanks in 3, in 2, in 1 on me now. Kill this tank. Okay, keep kiting northwest. Keep kiting. Spread. Keep kiting northwest. Tanks hold them. Keep kiting northwest. Tanks hold them.
Perma 12 seconds.
Ayun.
Perma 12
Keep
seconds.
kiting northwest. Tanks hold them. Keep kiting northwest. Keep kiting. Keep going north. Full north.
Ready, Arc, ready.
Okay, copy. I'm faking inside. Fake. Look at this mark. On my mark, ready? In 3, in 2, In one, on me now. No. Okay, go back north. Keep
Ready
kiting
def,
north.
ready def,
They're
def,
blown.
def, def.
Def. Pots. Heal up. Fallen. Heal up. Keep kiting.
13 seconds, Perma.
Keep kiting. Copy. Keep kiting. I'm gonna engage inside. Ready? You
3
guys have?
seconds.
Copy. Go northwest. Down the
Ready,
bend.
ready.
Ready, ready.
Down the bend. Ready? In 3, in 2. No. Kill this. Nice kills. Go back west to the bend. West. Go. Kite. Tanks all them. West to the bend. Guys.
Ready def,
West.
def,
Hitting east.
Def. West to the bend. I said
5
west.
seconds,
West,
5
west.
seconds.
Yeah. I'm gonna pull only, okay? Pull. Ready? On me. In 3, in 2, in 1. On me.
Hold down, wala akong cooldown.
No.
Hold down na.
Keep kiting.
Sabi mo mas maaga.
Keep kiting.
Long cooldown yan.
Keep kiting.
Oh, ganda ng choke dito.
Keep kiting. West.
Ready ako, Ark. Ready ako, Ark.
To Ark, merong
Ready,
ano
ready,
may
Perma.
brawler sa gitna.
Ready, inside, in 3,
Ready def,
in 2,
def,
in 1.
def, def.
Counter. Okay, go back southwest. Heal up. I need heals. Kusin doubles inside the brawlers. Guys.
Ay, saan na ba weapon mo?
Keep kiting. West.
Huh?
Rich kami, Melo.
Weapon Rich.
Full west. Ready? You guys have? Ready? On me. In 3, in 2, in 1. Inside now. Just inside. Tap. Kill this. Go northwest. Go northwest to the choke.
Ready def, ready def.
Go northwest. Def.
Brawl this guy inside
Blow
of
the
us.
tank low. Kill that. Nice kill. Hold only.
Ready, Ark. Ako na lang magsalita ng cooldown.
Yeah. Hold.
Nauunahan niyo ako eh.
Hold. You guys have?
Ready.
Pull only south in 3, in 2, in 1 on this guy. Kill. Nice kill. Go northwest now. Hold the choke. Hold only. Hold.
18 seconds. At
Hold. Qs and doubles inside. Hold the choke.
Left, southeast.
Look at that.
Their front.
Look at the time.
Disengage.
In 2, in 1. Tank. Kill.
No. Okay.
CD.
Sabi ko, 10
Okay,
seconds
hold.
pa.
Pahil.
You still have
Ready,
guys.
spike.
Ready, Perma.
Push. Yeah. Push southwest. Ready?
Catch
East.
ba ako?
In 3, in 2, in 1. On me now. East. Kill. Okay, go back northwest now. They're gonna blow. Go back northwest now. Northwest to the choke. Northwest our choke.
Brawl niyo yung nasa loob natin ah.
Our choke northwest.
Def, def.
Pots. Ready? You guys
Perma
have-
ready in 3 seconds. 3 seconds.
This way.
Ready.
Fake. Ready?
Heal.
On me, south. In 3, in 2, inside 1. On this, inside. Kill. Nice kill. Okay, go back north.
Don't call down, Ark, ah.
Just hold.
Wala nang
Hold.
DA yan.
Hold. Yeah, hold. Okay, push now. Push them.
5 seconds, Ark.
Push east.
Running na yung iba.
Push
Ready
east.
def,
6 seconds.
Ready? You guys have-
Ready.
Fake ako,
2 seconds.
Wala.
ready def.
Ready. After clerics on me. In 3, in 2, in 1. Inside now. Kill. Nice kills. Roll the lows.
Def.
Roll them. Just burn. Bro. Push east.
Wala na, patakbo na.
Yeah, they're running. Just push. Just kill.
Kill.
Kill. Ping if for chasing.
Where-
Just kill.
I'm chasing here I'm chasing here.
DPS go mount up to the pings.
Sa on ping may isa ako.
Guys, on ping.
Mount up to the pings.
Meron sa ping. Paano? Pabigay ng DPS sa southeast side.
Red ping. DPS mount up to the pings.
Southeast side, DPS.
Sa Terry. Push this. Kill this.
Hindi ako sa akin
Dito sa ping meron sa southeast.
Southeast, dito sa ping.
DPS mount
Okay,
up.
punta ka dyan.
Ate.
Ganker sa akin.
Ah, ba ginagang ka ba? Mount up to the pings.
Red ping.
Pick up.
Ay, lumaban pa.
Go to the red ping.
May inabot pa yung southeast.
Meron.
Okay,
Sa lang kaya namin patayin to.
Oh, DPS.
Ah, ba yun? Is mag-zone na ata yan eh.
Hindi. Lumalaban to, Ark. Pero patay sa amin to.
Dismount. Kill.
Uy.
Kill. Ready? In
Ganda ako, boy.
2, in 1. Sige, invi lang yun.
Hindi,
Stop, 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 stop. It's invi only. Kill. Invi only.
Around to daw.
Naka-zone, Art, naka-zone.
Kill. No, ito.
Yung
Sa
isa-
round 2, heist.
Uy,
Sa
nag-AFK.
round 2, ako na, hayaan mo na ako magsabi ng cooldown. Kasi may mga time na nauuna kayo, hindi pa ako ready. Sinasabi ko naman cooldown ko eh.
Sige, round 2 sabihin mo
GG
round.
naman to, di ba?
Yeah, no GG. Say round 2, no GG. To those who looted bank loot tab 3, right? 3 is onti.
Loot up.
May 7 tayo.
Sabay.
Teka lang
Sabi
Kamar,
mo, walang
mga
damage to kayo.
2 minutes.
Hindi ako ready na dun sa ang pangit nung position.
Masyado mabilis engage natin, Ark. 5 seconds pa lang ako.
Oo nga, Ark, maghintay ka naman, boss.
Pakinggan mo ako, Ark.
May nag-call kasi na may raise. Ewan ko ba. Kaya nga ikaw na magsalita.
Hindi, sinabihan ko na nga si Ice eh. Nagsasabi naman ako, sabi ko 12.
Those
Tapos
who
bigla
have-
may 5 na.
To those who have loots, you can bank. If not, stay.
Tayo ako, Lemon. Sabay tayo.
Round 2 yun kasi kasi may time na akala nila mananalo.
Magkano na yung loot mo, Ice?
Hatakin mo na ng
1M.
hatakin sa choke, Ark.
Nasa
Maraming
defense na ako,
nagtitip sa kanilang brawler eh.
Pangit nga lang
M
kasi
sa
yung
akin.
pangit lang yung location kasi
2
Ganun
Kasi
minutes.
lang
dito.
kahit mamamatay ka dun.
Hindi ako ready na magkahit